Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Margarita Dalale, specialized in endocrinology and metabolism, and also sexual dysfunctions, both in men and women. Welcome to my YouTube channel. First of all, I'd like to thank for all the emails and questions via Skype, online, and I really feel pleased for this success and glad to help you. Today, I'll talk about a very disturbing subject, erectile dysfunction. Impotence is the unableness of getting an erection or maintaining it for a certain period of time. It used to be very common in older men, but nowadays it is very usual in young guys. It can appear suddenly or slowly in a period of time. This is very important for me to make the diagnosis. So if you contact me, please let me know this point. Let's review the causes of impotence. Psychological problems such as stress is very important. Stress in men is one of the most important causes of impotence because sexual performance is damaged almost immediately. There are also depressive disorders that causes impotence in men. Let me tell you another thing about couples. If a couple have problems such as lack of trust or other kind of problems, it is almost impossible to have a good sex. For example, I want you to know there are many papers about how a man with impotence having sex with a woman does not have the problem with another girl. There are other important things that please let me know if you email me or talk to me. Do you have fears? Do you feel guilty for anything? How do you feel? Everything is important. I want to talk about excessive use of alcohol. Young guys drink alcohol and they go like, this will help. You know what? Alcohol is one of the most powerful inhibitors of erection, so be careful. Also, drugs, cigarettes, and also medication with doctors prescribe may cause impotence. For example, for the treatment of obesity, hypertension, and psychiatric drugs. If you're having impotence, please go immediately to your doctor and probably he or she will change the pill for another one. Related to my practice, there are very important causes of impotence: thyroid gland problems, adrenal glands problems, pituitary glands problem that, of course, we have to treat them. And testicles problems. Testicles produce testosterone, male hormone very important for the erection process. In the process of erection, there are two critical factors: arterial factors and nervous factors. Both systems must work perfectly. The arterial system is important because it allows the arrival of blood into the penis. The nervous system causes stimuli response. We have also back injuries, spine injuries, diabetic patients with complications. But if a diabetic patient has no complications but suffers from impotence, do you know what the cause is? High blood sugar levels. That's the cause of impotence. So when we achieve normal blood sugar levels, the impotence disappears immediately. There are other causes. I will let you know by emails or Skype, because time we have for this video is not that long. Which is the treatment of erectile dysfunction? Erectile dysfunction causes many changes on behavior, such as anger, annoyance, wrath, and believe me, I understand those men. If low levels of testosterone are detected, we can use testosterone, but please be careful because prostatic examination has to be carried out. Don't self-medicate. Personally, my first choice is injectable testosterone every 3 weeks. There are also pills, creams, and patches of testosterone, but I don't use them. There are many useful Chinese natural treatments. Contact me so I can give you the right name of them according to your country, to the place you live. There are also non-Chinese natural treatments. To choose the perfect blend, we have to choose the perfect blend individually. For example, if the patient is worn out, we have to give him a particular treatment. For the patients with stress, the treatment will be different, and so on. There are vitamins, amino acids, guarana, ginkgo biloba, tribulus, and many others. There are also gels that applied locally on the penis gives immediate response like heat and arousal. If impotence is absolute, there is the vacuum pump which produces erection immediately. You see, this is the pump. Some people say that the continuous use of this vacuum and other similar devices result in penis enlargement, but I must warn you, you must use these things with caution. We can talk about this topic in another video if you want to. The average patient with this kind of issue that I see in my daily practice is devastated. Is a devastated man. This man may have everything in his life, everything. Yet he feels his manhood is getting smaller and smaller. And this situation for the man is one of the worst things that can ever happen to him, because he feels that he's not a real man anymore. So we have to understand him and help him. So what do we have to do? We have to help him because he's suffering, and we can cure him. That's why I'm here. There's a cure for each problem. Believe me. Please contact me via Skype if you want a private interview. I'm here to help you out. Feel free to ask anything you want. Sorry for my English. I swear I did my best. Hope you understood everything. So, see you in the next video. Thank you very much.